Hey guys, welcome to our brand new finances page. Our team has been working hard to improve the overall experience as well as making it as easy as possible for you to use. So I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough to show you exactly what we've been working on. Starting on the accounts tab, you can see an overview of each and every one of your accounts. Using the payment account as an example, you can see your total balance, available balance, and upcoming funds directly from the tile. Will provide contextual information on these tiles to allow you to see exactly what your standing is without having to go into the details of each and every one of these accounts. We've also added a helper side sheet that provides key information about the content on the page, giving you descriptions as well as key information around the things that you can do on each page that you're on. You can also view your settlements and payouts, with the settlements tab giving you key information around your upcoming settlements, such as when they're due and how much they are, as well as the ability to view your historical settlements and download that information if necessary. We've now implemented a preferences tab, which allows you to define exactly how you want your funds to flow through Mamo. You can choose your schedule, which defines the period of time from when you receive a payment to when it becomes available. So we have 5 business days, 3 business days, and same business day as your available options. You can also define exactly where you want your funds to go once they become available, with the options for them to be automatically settled to your bank account, or if you'd prefer, manual control, which would then allow for your funds to sit in your available balance so that you can use it for payouts, for topping up your debit card, for paying off your credit card, or any other actions that you would like to undertake in the Mamo ecosystem. You can also set up automated top ups to your card account, which will create a daily schedule by which money will be moved from your payments account to your card account. In the scenario where I set it as 1,000 dirham, every day 1,000 dirham will be moved from my payments account to my card account. If you have auto settlements enabled, then the remaining amount from that day will be automatically settled. And if you don't have enough in your payments account, then the amount that will be moved over will be whatever is available in your payments account at that point in time. I can easily transfer money between my accounts via the transfer page, which also has clear and helpful tips along the side to give you insight into how to utilize this to your best advantage. I hope this video has been helpful, and feel free to reach out and provide any further feedback so that we can continue to improve the experience and make Mamo the best platform for you.